Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll be going through some of the beautiful ethnic earrings which are in trend now. And believe me, when I say they are in trend, I genuinely mean it, because जब भी मैं reels देखती थी, after every 5 reel there would be a girl wearing such earrings and I be like, wow, these are so beautiful. So today in this video all the earrings are at affordable price, means very affordable according to them, because match same earrings in various other sites too, but I couldn't find them at such a affordable price. So yeah, so all the earrings are from Meesho, and I'm telling you, Meesho gives you the best price for this earrings. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also the bell icon, so that whenever I post a video you get notified. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So beginning with, we have this beautiful jhumkas. I am a die-hard fan of jhumkas. I'm telling you, this is very beautiful and उतने ज़्यादा heavy weighted भी नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो होगा ही लेकिन उतने ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's pretty convenient to wear and the mirror detailing in it is so beautiful. I can't even tell you. So the price of this jhumkas costed me around 251 rupees. There are various sellers selling the same jhumkas, but I got the cheapest possible. I searched a lot, but 250 के नीचे जा ही नहीं रहा था. And this is the jhumkas that, and I think this is the most costly earrings in the entire haul, क्योंकि बाकी सारे earrings I think it's below 200, so I have mentioned it, but this is the only one, and I'm telling you why. It's because it's really beautiful. It looks very pretty. I like this a lot, and I think you will also like it. Means if you are a fan of like थोड़े बड़े झुमकेस then तो you will love it. And yeah, उतना ज़्यादा भारी तो नहीं है मैं बोलूँगी, मतलब ठीक है हल्का फुल्का तो होगा ही, लेकिन उतने ज़्यादा नहीं है. It will go with any kind of kurta. A simple, it can make a simple kurta look very beautiful. Got it from the brand called Elite Colorful Earrings, but अभी ये out of stock है. But I will mention a similar kind of it with the same rate below down in the description box. Kindly check out the description box. All the products code will be mentioned down. Meesho doesn't have product links, so I'll mention all the product codes down there. So yeah. So coming towards the second jhumka. This is the second jhumka that I got. It is also a really very beautiful jhumka, and it costed for around like 191 rupees only. So it's quite affordable and the quality is also pretty good. It's not like a cheap सा silver, बहुत अच्छा silver है. So it is nice, but ये थोड़ा सा heavy है. पिछले वाले से ज़्यादा ये थोड़ा heavy है. But it looks very nice, so if you can wear a little bit of heavy weight in your ear, then this would be a perfect match for you, and it's quite affordable too. So yeah, again it is from the same brand, that is Elite Colorful Earrings. I think Elite Colorful Earrings really has trendy pieces in them, but some of the pieces were really costly than the other, but this one is quite cool, and the last one is also okay type. For the price section I'm telling, otherwise you can style both of the earrings with anything, literally any ethnic outfit. It is really very beautiful. It has a sun-like structure, the upwards and the jhumkas. So I am just a die-hard fan of them. So the third earrings is from the brand called Elliot Elegant Earrings. It is the oxidized silver black polished earrings, and it is pretty good and it is really beautiful, and you can easily style it with any kurtas. It will go with any kurtas even, and moreover this brand also had the other two earrings that is shown previously, but those earrings were a little bit costlier in it, so I didn't go for it. So yeah, and by the way, this earrings is little bit heavy because पूरा weight एकदम नीचे आ जाता है, तो it kind of pulls your ears down. So yeah, it is kind of little bit heavy. It would be a problem wearing this for a very long time, but थोड़ा बहुत टाइम के लिए it is okay. Yeah, so I like it, these earrings, but I'm not pretty sure how much I could wear it for a long time, because yeah, for the photos and everything it would be very fine, and it's really beautiful. It has a peacock in the upside, I guess. Yeah, it has a peacock in the upside and the jhumkas down there, but then at the same time it really looks pretty. The next earring is this mirror hoop earrings, and this is so beautiful, means so beautiful. The mirror detailing in it is really nice, really nice. I got these beautiful earrings only for ₹189, and this is from the brand called Shimmering Fusion earrings. I guess this has other colors too. I mean, ये इसके स्टोन जैसे कि वाइट है, बहुत ऐसे थे जिससे स्टोन्स अराउंड ब्लू, रेड, पिंक थे, but I feel the white one would look much better, and so it is looking much better to me. You can try other colors if you like it. So this particular earrings is been sold by many sellers, but I don't know, I just went for this. You can even get it for 179 rupees too, but I thought that this would be nice because it was having good reviews, and I just didn't have the time to just have it and then send it back, because the other one didn't have much reviews. So yeah, I went for this one, and I don't regret it. Means 10 rupees तो चलता है ना. These earrings are too big, I think. Means ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत तो ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Other one was like a झुमका, so it could not be felt, but इसका width थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, but I think it really looks nice. For me, I never went for such earrings ever, but I don't regret it. I just like it. Talking about the heaviness, it's not that heavy. It's durable and you can easily style it. So coming to this earring, these earrings can be my go-to ethnic earrings. I feel these are so beautiful earrings, and yeah, you can easily find them in other colors too. Not actually colors, but there are stones fitted in that earrings, so you can find the stones in other colors. But for me, I felt like the basic one would look very beautiful, and yeah, it has overall the peacock design in it, so I love it very much. And yes, it is really beautiful. And this is from the seller named Allure Elegant Earrings. Many other sellers were selling this, but I found this to be the cheapest one, and also it was having good reviews, so I just got it. This earring is something I got in a pair, and this is the first of it. So this is this double layer pearl earrings, and yeah, it is a normal hoop earring where two sizes pearls were fixed in it with the help of a wire, and it is really beautiful. This is not a normal pearl earrings that you will see, but yeah, I do wanted to get a pearl earrings, but I was not into the normal pearl earrings, so then I got this, and since it was in a combo, I didn't mind it. I'll tell the combo price and the other one in a short while. These earrings are pretty lightweight earrings, and you can easily wear them for long hours without any problem. You will not kick at all, and yeah, it is really convenient to wear. For me, you can easily style it as an Indo-Western earring also, and even as for ethnic earrings. second one from that pair is this shell earrings, and shell earrings have just come into trend. I was not thinking of getting it, but since it was in combo and since it was in trend, so I just got it. This is also a normal hoop earring, and the shells are tied to it with the help of a wire, and I'm telling you, it's not at all removable. It is attached strongly. So yeah, this earring personally didn't perform that well to me because one of the shells were not at all that much wider than other shells. But yeah, of course, when you wear it you don't get it, but sometimes I do get it. Another problem is that one of the earrings from the pair is slightly bigger than the other one. This won't be seen or understandable when you wear it, but yeah, it's slightly bigger and I don't feel the vibe in this earring actually, but it's a okay type earring for me otherwise. And the quality is pretty good. Both of the earrings quality is really nice. It is a lightweight earrings and the quality of both of the earrings is pretty good. So I got this whole pair of earrings in rupees 185 only, so it's a steal deal, I guess. Both the earrings is of premium quality and it's worth its each penny. So with this we have come towards the end of the video. If you have liked anything of the video, kindly hit the like button. See you next time, my gems.